Think about it. Is your phone really living up to its potential? It's so easy to get stuck in an app rut, right? Using the same old tools day after day. But your phone can do so much more. What if you could seriously supercharge your productivity? Put a powerful AI assistant right in your pocket and even make your day a little more interesting? Well, let's explore how. Okay, first up, let's talk about productivity. Now, this isn't about working harder, it's really about working smarter and honestly just decluttering your digital life. These first couple of apps are designed to be your secret weapons for streamlining everything you do on your phone, from how you browse to how you save content. It's all about creating a more organized, more focused experience. First on the list is an app called Albo, and I think this one might just become your new favorite. Just think of it as the ultimate save button for your entire phone. No more saving Instagram reels in one place and then bookmarking YouTube videos somewhere else. Albo brings it all together. But here's where the real magic happens. It's all powered by AI. So for example, let's say you save a reel of someone making biryani. Albo doesn't just save the video. No, it's smart enough to categorize it under food and can even pull up the recipe for you. It adds that context to everything, turning this random collection of links into a smart, organized library. And the best part? It is completely free. Next is the Ula browser from Zoho, and this is for anyone who's serious about their privacy. It solves a super common problem, mixing our personal and work lives all in one browser. Ula lets you create these separate personal and work modes, which keeps your history and all your loggings totally separate. This focus on privacy is right at its core. Ula has a zero-tolerance policy for ad trackers, so it's actively blocking them from following you around online. All right, let's move on to our next category, putting AI to work. And look, we're not talking about just hype here. We're talking about apps that turn your phone into a genuinely practical, everyday assistant. The tools we're about to see, they're not just for asking little trivia questions. These can perform really complex tasks. They understand you better than ever, and some can even work without an internet connection, which puts you back in control of your data. So to really understand our first AI app, you need to know this term agentic task. This is basically the next evolution of AI. Instead of just answering a question, an agentic AI acts like a real assistant. You give it one goal, and it goes off and performs a whole series of steps all on its own to get it done. So how does this work in real life? Well, with the Comet browser, you can give it a single prompt like, find me the cheapest 5,000 milliamp power bank. Its AI agent then goes to work. It'll open a shopping site, run the search, compare all the prices and readings, and then just presents you with the best option. It handles all those tedious steps with just one command from you. Now, while a lot of AI models out there really focus on English, our next app, Sarvam, was built from the ground up right here in India with a totally different focus. It's an AI that truly gets the nuance and context of local Indian languages. Sarvam's real strength is its natural voice-first interaction. You can speak to it in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and a bunch of other languages. And it not only understands you perfectly, but it replies in that same language. It's actually designed for conversation, not just typing. And that makes advanced AI way more accessible to a much wider audience. Okay, have you ever worried about where your data goes when you use an AI? I think we all have. Well, that's where on-device AI comes in. This is a total game changer for privacy because all the processing happens entirely on your phone. Nothing gets sent to the cloud. And if you want to experiment with this stuff, you have to try Google's AI Edge Gallery. It's this really cool app that lets you download and test all these various experimental AI models right on your device. You can play with cutting-edge AI features, all while knowing your data is completely private because, it never actually leaves your phone. All right, our next category is all about consolidation. I mean, why have 10 different apps when one can do the job better, right? These next apps are basically the digital equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. They pack an incredible amount of functionality into a single, lightweight package. It's all about helping you clean up that home screen and even save some battery life. So what do you think this number represents? 50 plus. That's the number of essential utilities packed into our very next app. It's called OmniTools, and it's designed to replace like 10 to 15 different apps on your phone. It has everything: calculators, unit converters, translators, and way more, all in one spot. And what's amazing is that it's completely free, it has zero ads, and it's incredibly lightweight, so it's not going to drain your battery. It's a true productivity powerhouse. Next up is Whisperflow. Now, this isn't just another voice recorder. It's an incredibly powerful voice-to-text engine that is, it's uncannily accurate, especially with a huge range of languages, including many Indian languages. So here's the key difference. A standard recorder, it captures everything, all the ums, the ahs, all the pauses. But Whisperflow, it intelligently filters all of that out, giving you clean, readable text. This is perfect for transcribing meetings or just capturing your thoughts on the go, turning that messy speech into polished notes. For our final app, let's move away from pure productivity and just have a little fun. This one's for the curious, for the explorers, and really for anyone who's ever looked up at a plane and wondered, hey, where's that going? This app, Skycards, takes a common utility, a flight radar, and turns it into this really engaging game of collection and discovery. It's just a perfect example of how tech can add a new layer of fun to the real world. The concept is so simple and just delightful. You open the app and it shows you the actual flights passing right over your head. You can then tap on a plane to catch it, which adds its virtual card to your collection. Each card gives you all these cool details, like whether the aircraft is rare, how many miles it's flown, and more. It turns a simple glance at the sky into a really fun, interactive hobby. So there you have it, whether you want to organize your digital life with Albo, or maybe command a personal AI agent with Comet, declutter that home screen with Omni tools, or just turn the sky into a game with Sky Cards, there's a new tool out there waiting for you. So the only question is, which part of your digital life are you going to upgrade first? Thanks for tuning in.